Herbal honey red ginseng tea is quickly becoming a favorite beverage for those seeking a natural way to boost their health. Packed with the power of red ginseng and the sweetness of honey, this tea offers numerous benefits for your overall well-being. In this video, we'll dive into 7 incredible benefits of this herbal tea that will convince you to make it a part of your daily routine. One of the primary benefits of herbal honey red ginseng tea is its ability to boost energy levels. Red ginseng is known for its energy-boosting properties, making it a great alternative to caffeine. When combined with honey, which provides a gentle sweetness, this tea can help keep you energized without the jitters. Another impressive benefit is its ability to strengthen the immune system. The combination of red ginseng and honey has long been used in traditional medicine to help protect the body against infections. Drinking this tea regularly can help you stay healthy and ward off common illnesses. Red ginseng also plays a key role in improving cognitive function. It has been shown to enhance memory and concentration, making it a great option for anyone needing mental clarity or a focus boost. Whether you're working, studying, or simply need to stay sharp, this tea can help. Herbal honey red ginseng tea is also an excellent choice for reducing stress. Ginseng is an adaptogen, which means it helps your body manage stress better. Combined with the calming effects of honey, this tea can help you relax after a long day and improve your mood. For those concerned about heart health, this tea is beneficial in improving circulation and lowering cholesterol levels. Red ginseng has been linked to better cardiovascular health, making it a natural option for those wanting to protect their heart. This tea also helps reduce inflammation in the body. The anti-inflammatory properties of both red ginseng and honey can help relieve joint pain and muscle soreness, making it a great beverage for those suffering from inflammation-related conditions. Lastly, herbal honey red ginseng tea aids in digestion. It has been known to improve gut health, supporting a smooth digestive process and relieving discomfort. If you often experience digestive issues, this tea could be just what you need. In conclusion, herbal honey red ginseng tea is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their health naturally. Whether you want to boost your energy, enhance mental clarity, or improve your immune system, this tea offers a variety of benefits that make it a must-try. If you found these benefits helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Have you tried herbal honey red ginseng tea yet?